You can create beautiful custom design details with building blocks. In this video, I'll show you how to create a half-height or pony wall, a wall box, an oval vanity cabinet, and a shower niche. Here's a project I'm working on, and I'd like to add a half-height wall here. Building blocks are considered furniture items, so I'll click Mode and then Furniture Mode. Click Search and type Building Block. Here they are. I can hover over a building block to see its type. For example, tile, paint, wood, and more. Click a building block to select it and click to place it onto the floor plan. With the block selected, I can see its size in the properties over here. This side with the eye is the length, and this side is the width. Notice as I drag these arrows to size it, the length and width changes. I can adjust the height of the block by typing it here. With my RoomSketcher subscription, I can change the material on the building block. I'll click Replace Materials and search for a marble. Click this one and click Apply. And now I'll rotate my wall and drag it into place. To see the wall in 3D, I can use the camera or the 3D button. Here's a quick snapshot, and I can click to enlarge it. Click here if you want to create a high-resolution 3D photo. Here's mine. Now let's add a wall box for a toilet cistern. I'm still in furniture mode, and I'll click Search to find Building Block. I'll click this paint option and click to place it onto the floor plan. I'll drag to size it, and then click Replace Materials and search for a beige taupe paint. Click this one, and click Apply. Now I'll drag my toilet out of the way and drag the wall box into place, and then adjust the toilet location. To see the results in 3D, I can use the camera or the 3D button. This time I'll click the 3D button and switch to camera mode. Here's my wall box. Now I'll add an oval vanity cabinet. I'm still in furniture mode with building block as my search term. I'll click this wood column building block to select it and click to place it onto the floor plan. I can see its size in the properties over here, and I can drag to size it like this. I'll click Replace Materials and search for dark brown. Click this one and click Apply. Now I'll drag the vanity into place. Next, I'll click Add and search for a sink basin to place on top. And I'll add this one to the project. Notice its height above floor automatically adjusts to the height of the vanity I placed it on top of. Under Replace Materials, I'll click the faucet to select a light copper material and click Apply. To see the results in 3D, I can use the camera or the 3D button. Here's a quick snapshot. Click to make it larger, and click here if you want to create a high-resolution 3D photo. Here's mine. Now I'd like to create a shower niche like this one. To build it, I'll use 4 building blocks, a lower one, 2 sides, and an upper one. Note that this technique works best if you choose a material with minimal pattern so that everything matches up. Here's my workspace, and I also clicked the 3D button and placed my live 3D window here so that I can see my work in progress. I already added this building block to my project, set it to be a white marble, copied and pasted it, and sized all the blocks. This block will be the lower one. I've set its height to be 50, the desired height of my niche. I'll drag it into place. Notice I can see the results over here in 3D. These 2 blocks will be the sides of the niche. They will sit on top of my lower block, so I've set their height above floor to be 50 and locked it. I set their height to be 14 and length to be 10. Now I'll drag them into place. This one will be the upper piece. It will sit on top of the side pieces, so I've set it to a height above floor of 64 and locked it, and set a height of 30. And here's my niche. You can add accessories and take a snapshot or 3D photo. Here's mine. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.